Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to make a reinforced lark's head knot that can be positioned to the left and to the right. I'm going to be using this gold ring, and also I have a length of macrame cord, and I'm just going to put the two ends together and that's going to find the centre point. Taking the ring, I'm going to pop the macrame cord through till it meets in the middle. Then I'm going to hold the strands of cord, and taking the other cord I'm going to push that through the back of the loop, and as I pull it through I'm going to thread it through the loop at the bottom, and we're just going to pull that, and there we can see now that has made our reinforced lark's head knot, and that is positioned to the left. We can now repeat that again by taking the ring again, popping the cord through till we find the centre point, hold on to the cord, take the macrame cord through the back of the ring and pull it through the loop at the front, and as we pull it tight we can see that that has made us a reinforced lark's head knot that is positioned to the right. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon.